Didn't see you there. My name's Justin and I work for Freedom Way Trucks in Gulfport, Mississippi. And I'd love to show you a 2016 Kenworth T680, stock number 5111, automatic transmission. It's got a Paccar MX-13 engine. This truck also is equipped with an APU, an inverter, and virgin tires all the way around. This truck is equipped with a working tri-pack unit, AP unit for anybody who doesn't know, and that is operable and functioning. Virgin rubber on this truck all the way around. All your drive, steers, everything's virgin on this truck. No recaps. I just wanted to point out that your cluster here is going to be designed for owner-operators and not just your standard company driver package. So this truck's got a little bit extra than everything else. Back here behind the seat, I have a working inverter. We got a great price on this unit. Give us a call. We'd love to work you out a great deal on it. It's an amazing truck. It's super clean from bumper to bumper and it's ready to hit the road and make some money. We'd love to see you soon. Come by and see us. Mahalo.